Here's another great day for my job. I have a HVAC man. This is not a job of mine, but I ordered him a gift. His name is Ned Zeeb. Almost flashed my address on the package. Ned Zeeb! He's up in the trusses. Hey, Ned Zeeb. Hey, my friend.
What's up, man?
I have a gift for you.
Oh, man, you doing?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
It's good to see you. Happy Monday.
Yeah, man. The long weekend is good.
Here, let me give you this. Now, I had to do a little research,
Okay.
but here, let's go to the kitchen.
What is it?
Open. You tell me.
Oh, it's like a dog or something. I don't want to make, Oh, prayer rug. Okay, man.
Maybe it'd be your number 2, right?
Yeah.
Is this okay?
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, it's 3 of them.
Why did you order 3?
Mistake.
Thank you, man. Yeah, that's nice. Really nice.
Or
Nice color, everything.
you could give to a friend, maybe. You know, since there's so many of them, you could give to a friend.
Maybe that came in the package, like.
Yeah, I was on Amazon.
Oh, okay.
3 of them. Yeah. So, anyway, I wanted to come and give that to you, man.
Thank you. Thank you, man.
Love you, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, my friend. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
So the story behind that is he's a very devout man, and he told me that he says he deals with about 700 superintendents a year. He's been doing AC rough for about 7 years, and he says that I'm the best he's ever seen. And there he goes. You're gonna put it in the car. And that meant a lot to me. So I got on Amazon and I was searching for prayer rugs, and I'm not the expert on them. But it turned out I accidentally ordered 3 of them, which is kind of why I thought it was so expensive. When it first came in, I said, holy smokes, this thing's heavy. I can't believe they carry these around. But it turns out I had 3 of them. So, not a bad day.